Alright, best 5. Wala din si Marvin. Alright. Alright, time rep. Alright, number 1. Number 1, pull up to number 25, no good. Rebound by 24. No good. Dalawa. Tatlo lang kami. Yung sa deep threes nila, kati nila, lalo lang. 3 points. 2 points, 2 points. Kasahi, 21. Oy, nabitawan ng bola. Number 10. To number... Oy, ganda ng pasa. Number 6. Basket.
Smile for the camera.
Alright, number 6, pull up. No good. Wag na. Okay. Number 00 to number 10. Huli. Ang bilis ni Dennis. Yun, hindi na nag-dribble. Oy, foul. Kitang-kita. 100. Uy, ano pa. Sundin mo na lang yung basket ang pangalawa. Isa lang. 24, dribble the ball. Kenny, what happened? Oh, there's a foul. Blocking foul on number 1. 71, pull up, basket. Bautista. Number 6 for rebound. Basket. Lakas dito. Hindi ko ito mga ito. $71 to 24. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 10. Number 0. Basket. Oh, may chance na. Medyo patalo kanina, dalawang pasa. Ba't binata niya ng malayo? Pull up! No good! 7 seconds to shoot. Pull up again. Shoot! Rebound by 24. Number 10. To 0. 100. Oy, ganda. Oy! Travel lane violation. Alright. Pull up. No good. No good. Basket. Zero, zero. Pang deep three itong mga deep three itong kasama yung isa. Sila. 4-3. Sila Isaac. Substitution rep. Substitution. Yellow. Sub. Basket yung una. Hindi. First quarter. Ano sana? Kinakancel ko. Basket number 10. There's a foul. Hindi ba? Basta yun yung baka hindi siya makapag-hintay. Sa akin ngayon, kasi baka yung isa pa ang ako pinakauna nag-offer sa Toyota sa Alright, number 10. Hindi, mahal ang Prado. 90 na ang Prado ngayon. 95 yung mga yung 100 plus na. Yung pinakataas. Ayaw ko ng gold. Number 0 to 24. 24 pull up 3 short. Rebound by number 6. Oy, number 1. Easy basket by number 1. Number 10. Gutierrez. Goal in. Pass to number 71 to number 0. Oy, nabitawan. Back to 71. Pull up. Tapal. Rebound by number 6. Oy, naagaw. Oy, there's a foul. Cylinder foul on number 6. Foul number 6. Basket yung una. Parehong pasok. Lakas ng tunog gusto. Oh. Pero maganda yung mga diesel bago boots, hindi tahimik na. Hindi, yung Prado, diesel. Oh. There's a foul basket. 79 foul. Gitoy eh. Gitoy. Guys, score nga. Bonus shot. Basket. Number 10, pull up. Lakas. Rebound by 31. Oy, nakuha. Ganda. Basket on number 22, 25. Bernales. Up! End of the quarter. End of the quarter. $25 for 3, no good. All right, black ball. Oy, hindi nasalo. Oy, intercepted. Intercepted. Number 6 to number 1 to number 2. Ganda ng pasa. Basket on number 6. $24 to number 0. Number 0 drives in. Pass to number 77 for 3. No good. Rebound by 25 to 24. Oy, sayang ka. Lakas. Number 25. Nahuli. Number 0 now. Tumama sa paa. Black ball tayo, black ball. Number 1 to 31. Number 6 to 20. Oy, last touch 25. Yellow ball tayo. Dito, kinain mo. Kain mo doon. Number 0 to number 10 to 24. Pull up 3. No go this time. Rebound by number 25. Yellow ball tayo, yellow ball. Ha? Number 10. To 0. To number 10 again. Pull up. Basket. Number 1 to number 21. Kazahi. Oy, intercepted. Number 10 now. 3 in 1. Lisa. Yes. Timeout. Block. Timeout on block. This program is brought to you by Flor Deluxe, Mitsubishi McGraw, Casa Filipina, One Migration, F1 Migration. All right, back to the ballgame. Pati yung isa, yung magician, sabi mo? Oo, nagpaalam mo sa kanila eh. Basket, 3 points. Last time. Number 0. Oy, intercepted. Number 25 goes in, lays up. There's a foul. Foul on 77. 2 shots. First foul pa yan. Basket. $71 now. Bring down the ball to 0-0. 25. Tumira ng 3. Yun! Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Ano lang eh. Sumilip lang eh. Bawal boarding sa 3. J-Toy for 2, yes! Habol na! Number 31. To number 1 to number 6. Oy, intercepted na naman! Yan na naman siya! Oy, layo pang liap! Yellow ball tayo, yellow ball. Substitution, rep, substitution. Alright. Oy, huling-huli. Oy, nakuhuli. Yan na naman. Pinasa ni Gino, tumira, wala. Number 10 to 37 for 3. There's a foul. Block ba block? There's a foul. 71 foul. Jitoy. Third personal foul on 71 Jitoy. Malakas. Second shot. Wala. Rebound by number 10. Tatlo. Basket on number 10. Bautista. Bautista to number 6. Lozina. Rebound by 71. Oy! Pumihit na naman. Malakas. Basket. Malakas ang number 10. Alright. Number 21. Oy. Oy, shot. Losina. Kung i-dribble niya yun. Number 71. Number 10 to number 0. 77 for 3. Short. Rebound by number 25, 21 to number 25. Three second violation. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Oh, Arvin is in the house. That's siya, nagja-jogging na. Okay na yung tuhod. Violation, violation. Thirty-one. Tagal na, before pa papalitin natin. Diba? Time out, block! Alright, back to the ball game. Third quarter. Black ball tayo, black ball. Yellow on defense. Alright. Time, Boots. Boots time. Number 6, Lisa. Basket. Number 6. Number 24, bring down the ball. Zero, pull up 3, 2, long 2. 2 points on number 0. Number 25. To number 6. Pull up 3. No good. Rebound by number 100 to number 0. Number 0. To number 10. Nabitawan. Black ball tayo. Ooh. Number 25. To number 21, pull up. Shot. Basket on number 6. Nasa loob pa. Number 24. Pull up. Basket. Number 1 to number 6 to number 25. Oy, there's a foul on number 100. 2 shots. 2 shots po tayo. 2 shots. No good. Second shot. No good again. Number 10. Number 24 to number 10. Pull up. No good. Rebound by 21. To number 2. Lays up. Basket. Number 24. 25 na naman. Pumihit. Oy, shot this time. Rebound by 25. 4 in 1. Yun, pumasok. Number 6. Play on. 14 seconds to shoot. Pull up. Basket. Dead ball. Number 1 to number 25. Five seconds to shoot. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 2. Basket. Swerte naman. Number 2, basket. Dennis. Number 24. So number 0. 0 to 25. Oy, Blanca. Oy, substitution rep. Substitution. Substitution. All right, back to the ball game. Buti na rin. Oy, 3 points, 77. $25. Goes in. Oy, there's a foul. Basket. 71. Basket count. Jetoy. Tama yun, hindi na nag-dribble. 4 personal foul, 71. Pahinga na. Pagod pa galing Pilipinas eh. Pagod pa galing Pilipinas. Bonus shot. No good. Rebound by 24. So number 77. 77. So 24. To 0. Pull up. Shoot. Play on. Intercepted. Number 6. Lisa. Basket. All right. Play on. Play on. 3 in 1. Uy, ganda ng pasa. Oh, there's a foul. No basket, no basket. Substitution, Rip. Substitution. Number 6 now. Number 1. 25. Long 2. No good. Rebound by 24. So number 0. 0-0 now. Oy! 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 Sayang. No. 25 to number 21. Pull up. Lakas. Isa pa. Lakas din. Number 1 for 3. No good. Rebound by 24 to number 10. To 71. Number 10 again. Oh, there's a foul on number 1. Nel, palitan mo si Jitoy. Apat na foul si Jitoy. Para 6 kayo. Palitan mo si Jitoy. Para 6 kayo. Alright, ready for rebound. Basket. 1 point. Number 1. To 25. 25 umikot, pinasa sa number 6, lakas. Rebound by 24 to number 0. 0 to number 7. Oh, there's a foul. Foul on number 1. UF number 1, UF. So mayroon tayong free throw. Tol, panalo ka. Patalo. Pull up. No good. Play on, 21. Oy, ganda ng pasa. Basket. Number 0 goes in to 24. Pull up. Shoot. Number 1 to number 25. Oy, ganda. Easy basket by number 25. 1 minute 47 seconds. 77 now. Pass to 24. 24. Pull up. Basket. Number 1. To number 6. Number 6. Oy, ganda ng follow up. Dead ball, dead ball, dead ball, dead ball. Pag dead ball, pag dead ball. Number 10. Oh, shot clock violation. Substitution ref. Substitution. Substitution. Time out, yellow. All right, back to the ball game. All right, number 10. Number 10 to number 25. Tumihit. No go this time. Rebound by number 6. Rebound by number 6 to number 1. Oy, intercepted. Yan na. All the way. Number 0. Play on. 25. 10 seconds to shoot. Basket. Number 1. Number 1 to number 25. Pull up. No good. Oy, na-rebound. Nahuli din. Number 0 to number 10. No good. Oy, shot. Black ball, tumama. Tumama sa paa. Sayang. Number 1 to number 25. 25 to number 1 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 6. No good again. Rebound by number 6 again. Basket. Lakas. Division 6 ng dalawa. 25 at number 2. Ilista mo na yan sa next season. Hindi pwede sa number 0 to number 10. Oy, intercepted. Number 6. Oh, there's a foul on number 0. Oh my God. Wala ang una. Oh. Wala ang dalawa. Yellow ball. Parehong mintis. 13 to number 0. Oy, intercepted. 25 now to number 2. Lays up, no good. Goodbye, there's a foul. 1-0-0 foul. Basket count. Bonus shot. Sunny, you got 4 fouls, Sunny. Sorry. Basket. No basket. Stepping on the line. Stepping on the line. No basket. Bawal din ang boarding pag free throw. Yeah, dalawang violation. No boarding on free throw. Number 10 goes in. Oy! Nawala ang bola. To number 1. And basket. Basket count. Lakas talaga number 2. Baka mapicturean to. Lakas. Number 24 to number 10. Same ball tayo, same ball. 16 seconds to shoot. Number 0 goes in. Pull up. Wala. Player. Oh, there's a foul. There's a foul. There is a foul. No basket, no basket. Number 21, black foul. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Substitution. Two shots tayo, 2 shots. Anthony. 2 shots tayo kanina. Anthony. Number 0, basket. Isa lang. Dalawa. Anthony, dalawa shoot. Free throw. 21 to 25. Number 2. Pull up. No good. Rebound by 0. 0 nagmamadali. 24. Oy! Natapal. Kunti. 25 na the ball. $25. Ganda ng pasa. Oy, short. Oy, lumihis ang bola. Number 1, Bautista. Oh, yun. Hingi ako ng komisyon eh. Ayaw bigay. Sandali. Alright. Oy! Ibang klase. Number 10. Oy! Play on. 24. To 71. 10 seconds to shoot. For 3. No good. Ano? Wala talaga. Malas. 3 and 1. Oy, sumobra. Play on. Number 71 now. There's a foul. Number 6. All right, now we're on the last 2 minutes of the game. All right, back to the ballgame. Last 2 minutes. For 3, no good. Rebound by number... Oh, yun, pumasok. Number 1 to number 25 to number 6 to 25. Number 12, 10 seconds to shoot. Oh, there's a foul. 5 personal foul, Gitoy. Substitution. Alright, pahinga muna galing Pilipinas. Basket. Foul na ngayon ang buhok eh. Foul ng buhok, kaya yung mga kalbo hindi natawagan eh. No good ang pangalawa. Yellow ball tayo. Bawal tumalon sa free throw. Bawal tumalon sa free throw. Points! Yes! 3 points on number 10. Number 1 to number 6. To number 25. To number 1. To 25. 7 seconds to shoot. 5, 4, 2. End of the ball. End of time. Violation. 24 now. To number 77. Pull up 3. No good. Number 1. Nagmamadali. Lays up. Basket. Number 10. Wala. Rebound by 77. Tumira uli. Wala din. Oh, there's a foul. Foul on number 10. Foul number 10. 5 fouls number 10. 5 fouls number 10. No. Sabay, we check. Penalty. Sorry, penalty.
Madali tumira eh.
Basket. Bawal tumalon sa free throw. Basket ang pangalawa. Konti lang yan. Dalawang threes. Yon, 3. Bang! Uy, wala. Sayang. Rebound by number 1. Foul on number 10. 2 shots again, 2 shots. No more shot luck. Basket. Dalawa. For 3. No good talaga. Alright, shake hands boys, shake hands.